Okay, this looks scary at first, but trust me, there's actually a really clever trick here. See how we've got 2 to different powers? That's the key. Here's the trick. 2 to the x plus 1 is just 2 to the x times 2. Nice. Now both terms have 2 to the x in them. Perfect. Let's factor out that 2 to the x. Look at that. Our messy equation just became super clean. 2 plus 1, that's just 3. From complicated mess to this, much better. Now let's get that 2 to the x by itself. Just divide both sides by 3. All right? 2 to the x equals 32. Now, what power of 2 gives us 32? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. That's 2 to the 5th. Same base on both sides means the exponents have to be equal. So x is 5. Let's double-check that. Let's plug 5 back in. We get 2 to the 6th plus 2 to the 5th. That's 64 plus 32. Which gives us 96. Perfect. It works. Want to see this graphically? Here's what's happening. The blue curve is growing exponentially, green line stays flat. And boom! They cross right here. X equals 5, just like we found. Pretty cool, right?